These gorgeous photos is evidence that going for color is the easiest and the best way to take your crochet style to the next level. And if you like free-flowing hair, you can buy the straight crochet hair to achieve this shoulder length styles. And you can just brush them out, you can shape them to your face. I love it. The possibilities is always endless. Wow, how pretty are these box locks using the crochet hair? Like, if you're not really sure about like making a personal commitment, like really getting your dreadlocks done, try the crochet look first. It's a lot cheaper, it's faster, it comes in all different kinds of colors, and it's a protective style. I guarantee you will fall in love with it. So if you want your curly do to last for a long time, like for the long haul, try sleeping in 2-strand twist or flexi rods. When you wake up in the morning, pull those bad boys out and voila. Ooh, and I love this curly twisty bang. Hey, Sexy Taste Pink with your crochet style looking all good, girl. Low maintenance, high volume, beautiful look. Love this look with the kinky textured hair. Having these half-do looks is a quick way to present yourself with a dramatic style using your crochet hair, making you appear more edgy and more chic. Super digging the mohawk vibe. I'm still at awe with all the endless possibilities using crochet hair. I mean, let's face it, who's not ready for a protective style? Different lengths, different shades and colors, different textures, different styles. Oh my God, who's not ready? Look at this, beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, got that bob look, protective style. Okay, got that long bob look with the side part, different color. This is look like individual twist. This is bomb, banging, blonde, two-tone, 2 colors, half up, half down. I mean, what more can we ask for? I love it. These big jumbo curls are the perfect balance between sweet and sophistication. So ladies, when you get ready to try your new protective style using crochet hair, don't forget to refer back to this video. Tell your friend who's been wearing her hair the same way for the last 6 months, hey babe, check out this video. If you found at least one of these styles to be cute that you might want to try or have one of your friends try, give your girl a thumbs up for all the hard work. Stay tuned for the next video.